Hi, this is Gurmurthy. In this task, I built a Python pipeline that cleans messy clinical data and uses a locally hosted LLMA 3.3 70B model via a vLLM API to generate one sentence clinical summaries. Here is the explanation. First, coming to the URL, this script connected to a locally hosted LLMA 70B model using a vLLM API endpoint. Here is the raw data. Here is the messy input data. It contains inconsistent fields, names, and missing values. Coming to data cleaning, by using this function def coerc id raw id, this function validates IDs and skips invalid ones like error not found. Here is the data cleaning. And coming to that function define extract title record. Here I handle inconsistent title fields by checking like both article title and title. And coming to the next function, it is extract abstract record. Similarly, abstract are extracted from either abstract text or abstract. After clean using the function define clean records, this is the main cleaning function. It skips records with missing abstracts, replaces missing titles with a placeholder, and ensures only valid records are processed. As seen in the output, invalid records are skipped and like missing titles are handled safely. Here we can see data cleaning complete. And coming to the API session, um, this creates an HTTP session with retry logic by using the function define build session. If the server fails or times out, the request is retried with exponential backup. And coming to this build payload and by calling the model by using function build payload study, each cleaner record is converted into a prompt with title and abstract, asking the model to summarize the clinical outcome in one sentence. And calling the model by using the function call model, this function like sends the request to the LLMA model using method called post and handles errors like connection timeout, read timeout, and HTTP failures. If the server takes 45 seconds to respond, the request succeeds because the read timeout is set higher. And the is the main flow. This by using function define run, this function orchestrates everything: cleaning data, sending requests, and collecting results. Actually, the final flow was by from raw data we clean, build prompt, send request, handle errors, print the results. Here is the overall output. Thank you.